Hello, today I'm in BMW X1. In this video I'll show you how to manage cruise control. In the beginning you have to, of course, accelerate to desired speed, and then take a look at the left side behind the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. If you want to enable cruise control, simply press this button right here, and now you'll be able to change speed by pushing this lever forward to increase speed and backwards to decrease it. Of course, the cruise control display is located right here, and your current speed will be also shown right here on that display. If you want to turn the cruise control off, you have to push this lever downwards or upwards. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.